To start, I've already imported the clip onto my timeline. Remember, higher the frame rate, smoother your slow motion effect will be. First, find the frame where you want the slow motion to begin. Grab the razor tool or simply press Ctrl or Command plus K to make a cut. Then do the same to create a second cut where the slow motion should end. Now take this third clip and move it a few seconds forward to create some space for a slow motion effect. Next, press R key to activate Rate Stretch tool. Then take it to end of clip and drag it. Keep in mind, longer the duration, slower the speed, and the shorter the duration, faster the speed. If you play it back, it looks choppy. So to make it smooth, right-click, select Speed or Duration, and change the time interpolation to Optical Flow. If you prefer, instead of using the Rate Stretch tool, you can manually set a fixed speed value. You might notice that Premiere Pro struggles to render this effect in real time. To fix this, select the clip, press X to set the in and out points, and then press Enter key to render. After that, remove these in and out points, and this is what you will end up with.